Hello from me. Hello from Rosie. Today we are going to make a chicken with a wild mushroom sauce. Wild? Yeah, those mushrooms are livid. And we're going to serve it up with some mashed potato. So let's give it a go. Chicken with wild mushroom sauce. Good luck, mate. I'm going to use a couple of chicken breasts with the skin on. Now, I've got what they call a chicken supreme cut, which means it's still got the wings on. So if you can get your butcher to do that, then that's great because the chicken will be a little bit moister. But if you can't, chicken breast with the skin on is going to be perfect for this recipe. Cue my chopping up some vegetable montage. So I know that it looks like there's quite a lot of stuff there, but to be honest, once we start frying this up, it's going to reduce quite a lot. Okay, so I've chopped up my spuds and I'm going to put them on to boil. So the recipe is in the description, and if you'd like to subscribe and you don't already, it'd be cool if you did. Now, I've got some butter and I've got some olive oil. Oh, and top tip, take the chicken out of the fridge for about an hour before you cook it, because it just means that the meat relaxes and it cooks a little bit better, I think. Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes. Just turn them over and give them about another 3-4 minutes on this side as well. And yes, I am wearing shorts. Just give these a bit of a mash. Okay, that's looking pretty smooth now. We can start putting in some butter and some milk. Just add a little bit of milk. And this mashed potato is good, but I think we're going to add a little bit of cheese to it, because I think the flavours will go well. And you could use any kind of hard cheese for this. I had some Gouda left over from when I cooked chicken cordon bleu. Recommend you check that recipe out. And yeah, just stir it in. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to put this in an oven dish and have about 150 ml of chicken stock, which I'm just going to put around the edges, not on top of it, because we want to get a nice crisp skin. I'm going to put that in the oven for about 160 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, the mushroom sauce, incredibly easy to make. So I've got some, I don't know, about a couple of tablespoons of butter, about the same olive oil. And we're going to put all of the mushrooms in there and sweat them down, and then add some white wine. Okay, so that's been 4 minutes and they've softened up real nice. I've got 125 ml of a good white wine. I believe it's a Pic Paul Sauvignon Blanc. And I'm going to boil this until it's reduced by about half the liquid. And then it'll be a real intense flavour, you see. That's about reduced by about half. I'm going to add 250 millilitres of chicken stock in there, 150 millilitres of double cream, and we're going to reduce this by half. So, sounds like a maths question. When we've reduced it by half, how much sauce do we have left over? Don't forget to include a displacement of the volume of the mushrooms. Answers, please, down below. Not down below in the comment section. So that's been boiling away for about 10 minutes actually. Just need to add our chopped parsley and our tarragon in there. Oh, the smell from that tarragon is sensational. So what are we going to drink with this amazing mushroom sauce? I'm going to go for an Italian pecoroni. It's a wine that's only really started getting popular for the last 10 or so years, so you might not have heard of it, but give it a go. is going to go really well with the chicken and the mushrooms. So all that's left to do now is let's plate up. Look at that amazing chicken. Got a lovely crispy outside. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of the butter in there. I'm going to get some of the Gouda. Wonderful mushroom sauce. And I've saved a little bit of the tarragon. And this is a sensational chicken, wild mushroom, cheesy mashed potato dinner. I really hope you try it. It's amazing.